on-track weather with meteorologist Becky Taylor.
Welcome back. We do have a pretty cold start to the morning with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s right along the Kansas-Nebraska border. We're slightly warmer to the south where temperatures are in the lower 40s, but still feeling very chilly out there once we factor in those winds. They're running about 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the north and east, and that'll remain the case. They'll shift a little bit more to the east as we go throughout this afternoon, but for the most part, we'll keep that light breeze around as we go throughout the daytime today, becoming a little lighter going through the overnight hours tonight. Now, our temperatures are wind chill values with those wind speeds, feeling very cold out there, especially in Marysville, feeling like 29 degrees right now. Feels like 38 in Manhattan, 38 in Emporia as well, and it feels like 37 degrees in Topeka, a very chilly 32 degrees in Hiawatha. So definitely bundle up this morning, and you're probably going to need to keep those jackets around today. Our temperatures really aren't going to go all that far. We do have a lot of cloud cover in place, and we'll keep those clouds going throughout most of the day. So temperatures slowly but surely climbing up through the upper 40s, maybe eventually into the lower 50s this afternoon, and then we'll cool right back down tonight. But once again, not too far. We'll still have those clouds in place, and that's going to keep our temperatures fairly even as we go throughout the next 24 hours or so. Tomorrow, our temperatures do start to warm up a little bit, and we'll be in the upper 50s for the afternoon, and then we'll keep on climbing as we go throughout the middle part of the week. So here's a regional look at our satellite and radar. We do have all those clouds in place across northeast Kansas, but you can see we're in a dry slot here. We have some snow and some ice up in Nebraska. We've got some showers, maybe some thunderstorms in portions of Missouri and Arkansas, but here in northeast Kansas we're dry, and we'll stay dry throughout the day today. We did maybe get a little bit lucky around the Kansas-Nebraska border in the early morning hours where we might have had just a few sprinkles showing up here. Now going throughout the rest of today, we'll have mainly cloudy skies. We might see a few breaks in those clouds, especially later on this afternoon in our northern and western counties, but for the most part we should stay pretty cloudy going throughout the majority of the day. Now those clouds do work their way back in throughout the overnight hours tonight, and then we could be talking about some rain tomorrow. So going throughout the afternoon hours, chances for some showers, some scattered showers start to increase as we go throughout the afternoon and eventually lingering into the evening before pushing off to the south for us. We might get lucky enough again to have some more showers lifting off to the north through the early morning hours on Wednesday. And then we should stay dry at least until we get into the later parts of Thursday, and that's when we're expecting our next big cold front to come through. And just ahead of that front, we could have a line of some thunderstorms moving through the area, and the rain right behind that will linger throughout the morning hours on Friday. So get a load of these temperatures. We'll be very chilly the next couple of days, but then by Wednesday we should be near 70. Thursday looks like we're climbing up to near 80 degrees again right ahead of that cold front, so we'll have some pretty breezy southerly winds. That front will push through, giving us that chance for some scattered showers and storms, and then we cool way back down for the weekend again with temperatures dropping back into the low to mid 50s for Friday and Saturday, and then we'll be watching for another system to come in late in the weekend and into the early parts of next week. So we've been quiet for a long time, and now we're finally getting some action in terms of some precipitation, and then our temperatures are just all over the place. Lots to talk about today.
I cannot believe that you have a probability higher than 20% on that graphic. That's what you've gone with, just these little spotty 20s for a long time.
Yeah, and then I was like, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a 30,
Look
then I'm going to put a 40, and
here
we go. We're getting crazy.
All right, here. Well, they say everything